Hello, good people. This is CreateAnonlineBusiness.com. Learn, apply, teach, and offer. You can go through all these different modules, or you just use one. Very powerful, good people. Each month, at least 5. The minimum is 5 digital tools I dig off into. In May, these are the tools that we're working with. I have a little extra this May because this is the first time I really pushed it this far down the road for myself. But normally, it's at least 5 projects. I have 30 days to dig into, pull out the knowledge, put in play at least 5 digital tools. But these tools, majority of these tools, 95% of them, is what you can call a business in a box. Okay, that means each one comes with its own website, copy, graphics, and videos, and that you can put online, and you can offer for whatever price you want, and all the profits go to you. This is not like multi-level or affiliate marketing. This is your own. This is your own business that you're working with. My thing is, I think, for me, I want to make sure these are powerful projects. That's why I dig off into them. So you're gonna learn something, either something new, or you just get new information about what you're doing online. So this month, normally it's $27 for one package, and we have a member area for $11.95, and you get like around about 10 a month, and it's powerful, good people. I highly recommend you check it out. Click the link somewhere on this page, top, bottom, or in the description, to go over to the site and download your samples, or just get your whole package. Very powerful, good people. This is what I'm doing, and I came to the realization that there's enough tools on this internet to help a lot of people. Okay, it takes some time, some sense, a little money, and a little determination to get busy, but you can do it. And this is what I'm doing. So have a great awesome day, good people. Let me get off this video and get back to work, digging up into these projects, and then I have a group I formed around this to teach you exactly what I'm doing with these tools, so you can do the same thing, and we can share stories how we helped a lot of people. Woo, powerful. Have a great awesome day, good people. Talk to you soon. See you on the inside. Bye now.